Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be showing you guys how to fix unable to join Wi-Fi network error on iPhone. So if you're getting this error repeatedly on your device, then well, you're in luck, because today in this video I will be showing you the steps for its solution. So let's get started. Here, launch your settings and go to Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the I like icon present on the side. Then tap on forget this network and confirm it. Once you have successfully forgot the network, try again by re-entering your Wi-Fi's password. Doing this, your issue shall be fixed, but even if it does not, the other solution is again go and launch your settings app. Then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom, you will there see an option called transfer or reset. Tap on it, then tap on reset. Here, select reset network settings. You will be asked to enter your mobile passcode. Enter it and then tap on done. Doing this, you will have all of your iPhone networks reset and your issue fixed in no time. So that's all. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching.